Thank you, Daniela. Kansas City, you've helped us raise more than $15,000 for local families in need. That doesn't include all the fresh food you've donated to just today in our Fill the Fridge campaign. My co-anchor Sarah Plake joins us live outside Hen House in Overland Park. How's it going out there, Sarah?
Well, it's going really well. We've got about an hour for the physical drive, this campaign. So whenever you come out here to Hen House at I-35 in Metcalf, you can just donate whenever you're shopping for yourself, pick up a couple more things and then just drop them off here outside. I'm here with Matt Hamer with Harvesters, and he can tell us more about how great this day has actually gone. Matt, how can you sum up how this drive has gone this year?
We're super blown away by everyone's generosity. We crossed the $20,000 mark, which is awesome, including the check that you guys gave us. So thank you for that. But yeah, no, and that doesn't count all the food that people have been donating. So yeah, we're so happy that the community turned up like this, and yeah, still have till midnight to donate, but yeah, we're really happy.
And we love to hear that. And so how does this translate then to the families, the people who need this the most?
Yeah, I mean, we're at a time right now where food insecurity is the highest it's been in a decade. 1 in 7 people in our service area are food insecure. And so yeah, this is, we have a huge need that we haven't seen in a long time, and stuff like this is really the only way that we can keep doing the work that we're doing.
Yeah, I mean, so it's that critical, and thank you so much, Matt, for your time and for being great partners with us. And again, they had a $10,000 donation, and it was that person's first time donating, so this means a lot. And he also mentioned that $5,000 check that we presented just this last hour to Harvesters on behalf of the Scripps Howard Fund, and then, of course, all of the other donations that everybody is giving around the metro, not just here. We were actually in line at a KCK donation, and we talked to somebody who was picking up food for somebody else, but has firsthand knowledge of what it means to go without.
I think that people who don't realize what hunger is. I mean, when I was younger, we had hunger bad. We got groceries from churches and stuff because we didn't have food. They'd bring us a basket of food, and there were 6 kids in our family. So I think this is totally important for anybody.
All right, so this campaign goes until midnight. If you can't make it out here, make sure you go to our website, Harvester's website, and click on the link. We also have that QR code. And again, this is for food, everyday necessities that people need, our neighbors. 1 in 7 people need this kind of help, so this is really crucial. We want to run those numbers up. Back to you.
Thanks to everyone.